Kamusta ka na? Una sa lahat, live tayo. How is LA Tenorio?
I just want to start this conversation between you and me to take this opportunity to thank everyone na talagang patuloy na nagdasal sa akin or nagdarasal sa akin all throughout my my journey of this cancer. So hindi ko mabanggit yung hindi ko mabanggit yung word but yun nga tapos na yun. But I just want to thank each and everyone. Kung kaya ko lang sagutin yung mga messages nila isa-isa, sasagutin ko, but thank you, nababasa ko, and thank you sa inyo lahat. So ako naman masaya ako. I'm okay. So I have the clearance already to play. I'm clear. For the past 6 months, I had 2 PET scans already. So I think that the last PET scan, which is the Tuesday night, na naunahan ako ni Coach Tim na but I called them right away and they were very happy. So excited talaga sila. And sakto na sa press conference sila noon. So but I'm okay.
Meron ka bang timetable? Alam kong sabi mo dati, try mo October. Pero, eto na cancer-free. May timetable ka ba kung kailan ka babalik? Full contact ka?
Full contact, of course, practice. Siguro, I'll do it slowly but surely. Siguro, ang timetable ko is, I just want to do it parang, parang slowly, but ayoko pilitin na rin diba? So, katulad nga na sinabi ko, I want to go back.
Of course.
Pero I just want to go back na hindi lang ako bumalik dahil for the sake of me going back because of what happened to me. No, I want to go back because I want to go back. Right? I want to play. I want, hindi naman yung parang same na. Kasi iba na rin di ba? Siyempre, marami na rin bata in my age, di ba? Aminado naman tayo doon. But still that I can contribute to the team, di ba? So, yun yung gusto ko. So, I'll see. I haven't talked to Coach Tim about it because we're too busy about the Asian Games and so hindi ko pa siya nakakausap. Pero after siguro nito, we'll talk about it.
Posible ba yung November? Yung 'di ba November 5 yung opening ng PBA or baka next year na or December?
Hindi naman siguro next year siguro mag-target ako. I want to target siguro
December.
Siguro Pero kung kaya naman ng November, why not? After the 6th session of my chemo, I felt really good, especially after the PET scan, after the halfway of the cycle.
The cycle,
Parang I feel like I'm okay, and feeling ko I'm okay. Actually, I never felt that I had the cancer during the duration of my chemo, until they pulled out my line 2 days ago, Tuesday. Na parang na-realize ko after na parang, wow, nagkaroon ako ng cancer. Parang gano'n. No, I'm excited. I'm excited what's next. Kung ano yung next chapter ng sinulat sa statement ko. I'm really excited. Number one that I want to advise, it's really the faith. I think ako I think 100% na nag-save sa akin is really my faith, my faith really saved me. I can say that. Talaga yun. Yun lang ang may advice ko. And I just live my life, every day na, thanking God that I have the opportunity waking up again. And have the opportunity to spend time with my family, with my children,
kids, bata pa.
And then my wife, of course, who's been there for me since day one na graduate. Mas maraming importante sa buhay kaysa isipin natin yung mga ibang bagay, mga masasamang bagay, di ba? Pagtuunan natin ng pansin ng mabubuting bagay. Kasi you never know. Siyempre nandun pa rin excitement to be part of the national team. It's been, it's always been a blessing, to be part of the national team. And, luckily, I'm still part of the national team, pero iba naman, as an assistant coach naman. But, Actually, baka maging playing assistant.
Ayun nga, nakikita ko playing assistant coach. So, nakikita ko, hindi. Parts, health issues aside, tingin mo kaya pa mag-playing coach?
Oo naman. Oo naman. I was talking to Coach Tim nga eh. Sabi niya, if I'm really healthy, kung medyo nauna-una lang na mga natanggal to ng mga 2 weeks before.
Talaga?
The good thing about my role right now is, you know, I think yung nabuo kong taon sa PBA, you know, I gained the respect of course, the people or the players that we have right now in the national team. Sarap sa pakiramdam na isang star player ng PBA, let's say si Terence, si Calvin before, ngayon even sina Marcio, sina Scotty, di ba? Nagtatanong sila, di ba? Alam mo yun? So parang ang sarap sa pakiramdam na pag nasagot mo yung tanong nila, natulungan mo sila in a small detail o small way lang, no? Nakakatuwa. So honestly speaking right now, kaya pala he's the winningest coach in the PBA. He's really iba.
Kita mo. Nakita
ko talaga na kaya pala ganito siya trumabaho, very detailed, very OC, you know, meron siyang plano. Alam niya yung ginagawa niya. He's very confident dun sa ginagawa niya. He's a teacher. Natural teacher siya. So, hindi lang siya coach, kundi teacher din siya. And napakalaking bagay, yung laking bagay ng kombinasyon ng pagiging teacher and pagiging coach. Pero hindi yun. We have a goal. Of course, to get that medal, no? Gold medal. That's the goal. But I think for now, as I speak right now, I think our goal is really, our focus is really, you know, to get better before the start of the tournament. And then, pagdating na ng tournament, doon na namin makikita kung hanggang saan kami. Diba? So, siyempre, may goal tayo eh. Our goal is really to win that medal. No? Of course, for the country, for the Philippines, especially, you know, after what happened to us in the FIBA, it's nice. Ang aakyatin natin bundok is sobrang hirap. But you see the sacrifice of the players talaga. 3 times a day, practice. And those are PBA players, star players already practicing 3 times a day.
Grabe.
And they're really committed. Yun yung nakita ko sa kanila na sa tingin ko na bubuhay sa amin nitong Asian Games.